In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore tabs in Google Chrome and continue where you left off. If you've ever closed Chrome and wished it would just pick up right where you stopped, or you've accidentally closed a tab you still needed, this walkthrough will make your browsing a lot smoother. We'll set Chrome to automatically reopen your last session, and we'll look at where to find recently closed tabs so you can quickly get back on track. Start by opening Chrome and heading to the three dots in the top right corner of the window. That menu leads to all of Chrome's core controls. Choose Settings to open your browser's main preferences. Once you're there, find the section labeled On Startup. This area controls what Chrome does the moment it launches. Select the option that says Continue where you left off. With that one choice, Chrome will remember the tabs you had open and bring them back the next time you open the browser. It's especially helpful after a restart or update, or if you prefer to keep ongoing research and projects ready to resume without hunting down each page again. A few quick notes for clarity. This feature focuses on your last browsing session, and in many cases it can restore multiple windows along with their tabs. Private browsing, also known as incognito, isn't included here by design, so those windows won't return. Some sites may also ask you to sign in again or reload content, depending on their security settings, but your tab lineup will still be restored. Now, let's cover what to do if you close a tab by accident. Go back to the three dots in the top right corner and open the menu again. Choose History. This page shows a timeline of pages you've visited, with a helpful section for recently closed items. You'll see individual tabs you closed a moment ago, as well as, in many cases, entire windows listed together. It's a straightforward way to retrace your steps and recover what you were viewing without starting over. If something you expect to see isn't there, it may have been from a private browsing session, or it may have fallen off the list if a lot of time has passed or history was cleared. That's all there is to it. Set Chrome to continue where you left off to keep your workspace intact, and use History to quickly bring back tabs you've closed. With these two simple habits, you can stay focused, save time, and make Chrome work the way you do.